fantasy land that you defect to or something. It's not actually to make films there because the sunshine is there. Obviously there's a lot of money to make films there. But I found my experiences over there have been enormous fun. It does live up to expectations, and exceed them sometimes.
One thing I suppose that strikes you about the film, which is that we like the hero, despite everything that he does. And he is played by you, and you are a very likeable on-screen persona. Which in fact, that kind of true British anti-hero, if you read Toby in the book, it's not really that likeable at all. And the idea that he might even get the girl is completely incomprehensible.
Oh, true. And I think the reason you actually end up liking Toby in the book is simply because he's honest, simply because he is sort of despicable at times, but because he genuinely cards on the table about it, you end up sort of like, well, fair enough, at least you're telling the truth. Whereas with the film, it was more difficult because obviously it's a fictional character, so we have to somehow make him appealing as well as being appalling. And I think that was just a case of trying to give him some humility at all times, just so there's at first just a little glimmer of it there, and then eventually you're definitely seeing someone who you want to root for.
Would you consider suggesting you should tone down the despicable nature of Toby?
Peter Strawn, who adapted the screenplay, he created a character that was suitable for cinema, that wasn't just an abject comic form or light. His writing shaped a film out of Toby's memoirs, which, Toby's memoirs are, anecdotes, really. It's not a film, particularly. So what Peter did was he extrapolated a movie from that, used the structure of the film and some of the conventions of cinema, and created a romantic comedy for a specific genre, and made a character that you could root for.
Toby Emmet is Modern Review, and they looked at high culture and low culture in a fairly fantastic way. They said low culture people as good as high culture. Your thesis, from what I read, is that you wrote about Marxism and 70s films, and you're making popular films for wide audience, the rest of a lot of other
I wouldn't say it's as good as Street Fighter by any means, but certainly just as a reflection of certain things going on, or the condition of Hollywood or whatever, is as complex a text as they do.
You're getting these big roles. You're in Star Trek and Spielberg and one thing and another. How much writing?
Hopefully, one more film. Writing is fun, and everything you have to do after that is always kind of nerve-wracking and slightly giddy. I quite like to just...
Bunny!
So